Good day, viewers, and thanks for tuning in to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. You are watching the petrochemical market synopsis with me, Matt Siong, from Polymerupdate's virtual world. It is Monday, April 17th. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices inched higher on Friday owing to a fall in the value of the US dollar as cooling inflation data in the United States signaled that the US Federal Reserve may be approaching the end of its rate tightening cycle. Brent crude prices rose by 22 cents, settling at $86.31 per barrel, while WTI futures increased by 36 cents, settling at $82.52 per barrel. On Friday, open-spec naphtha prices declined by $4 per metric ton at the $698 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Feedstock news for Asia, Europe, and US. In Asia last week, propylene prices gained owing to a week-on-week rise in upstream energy values. On Friday, FOB Japan propylene prices were assessed at the $905 to $915 per metric ton levels, while CFR Southeast Asia propylene prices were assessed at the $940 to $950 per metric ton levels, both up $5 per metric ton from the previous week. CFR Taiwan propylene prices were assessed at the $930 to $940 per metric ton levels, while FOB Korea propylene prices were assessed at the $900 to $910 per metric ton levels, both week-on-week higher by $5 per metric ton. CFR China propylene prices were assessed at the $925 to $935 per metric ton levels, a rise of $10 per metric ton from the previous week. In Asia last week, ethylene prices quoted flat. In Europe last week, ethylene and propylene prices were assessed higher. In the United States last week, ethylene prices dropped while polymer-grade propylene prices down adjusted and refinery-grade propylene prices were unchanged. Before we move on to futures on the China Dollar and Commodity Exchange for today, please click on the bell icon to subscribe to our free news channel, and if you like today's video, please remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It motivates us to continue to bring you this free, informative news service on a daily basis. Back to the futures on China's Dollar and Commodity Exchange. On April 17, 2023, LLDPE prices are down by RMB 8 per metric ton at RMB 8,150 per metric ton. PP prices are higher by RMB 20 per metric ton at RMB 7,619 per metric ton. PVC prices are raised by RMB 7 per metric ton at RMB 6,025 per metric ton. MEG prices are up by RMB 2 per metric ton at RMB 4,108 per metric ton. That's all for today's polymer news. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. This is Polymer Update, with me Matt Siong from Polymer Update's virtual world. Many thanks for watching.